To make money online, you can sell products through your own online store using business models like dropshipping or print on demand. Another popular path is creating content for a blog that you can monetize with ads or by earning commissions when promoting other brand products. In this video, we are going to talk about dropshipping in 2025. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. Niche and product research. In 2025, niche and product research remain the foundation of a successful dropshipping business. With AI-driven analytics, social media trends, and evolving consumer habits, finding the right niche has become more strategic than ever. Start by identifying micro-niches, specific segments that solve real problems or fulfill emotional needs. Instead of broad markets like fitness, focus on narrow audiences such as home gym equipment for small spaces or eco-friendly workout gear. Use tools like Google Trends, TikTok Creative Center, and product databases like Minea or Dropship.io to spot emerging products gaining traction. The key is to find items with high demand but low competition, stable profit margins, and potential for brand storytelling. Look for products that are lightweight, easy to ship, and have a strong wow factor that makes them stand out in video ads. Then, validate your ideas through platforms like Reddit and Quora, where you can gauge real user interest and pain points. Remember, dropshipping in 2025 is no longer about chasing viral gadgets, but about building trust, offering quality, and aligning with current values like sustainability and personalization. Once you've found your winning niche and product, focus on branding, content creation, and customer experience to turn a simple product into a thriving online business. 2. Quality suppliers. In 2025, finding quality suppliers is one of the most crucial steps in building a sustainable dropshipping business. With competition increasing and customer expectations at an all-time high, working with reliable suppliers can make or break your store's reputation. Start by choosing platforms known for verified and fast shipping suppliers like Alibaba, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and Zendrop, but go beyond just the listings. Check supplier ratings, reviews, fulfillment speed, and communication quality. Always order a few test products yourself to inspect packaging, delivery time, and item quality firsthand. A trusted supplier should offer consistent inventory, real-time tracking, and responsive support in case of returns or damaged goods. In 2025, smart dropshippers also look for local or regional suppliers to cut delivery times and improve customer satisfaction. Use automation tools like AutoDS or DSers to streamline order management while maintaining transparency with your supplier. Building long-term relationships is key. Treat your suppliers as partners, not just vendors. Communicate clearly, negotiate better prices, and stay updated on new product releases. Remember, quality suppliers don't just deliver products, they help you deliver a brand experience that keeps customers coming back and your business growing sustainably. 3. Professional store and branding. In 2025, building a professional store and strong branding is what separates successful dropshippers from the rest. Consumers are smarter, and they no longer trust plain, generic websites. They buy from brands that feel credible, authentic, and visually appealing. Start with a clean, modern store design using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, and focus on user experience. Fast load times, mobile-friendly layouts, and clear navigation. Your homepage should immediately communicate your brand's purpose and value, not just display random products. Invest in high-quality product images, engaging descriptions, and lifestyle videos that show your products in action. A professional logo, consistent color palette, and strong typography create a sense of trust and recognition. Beyond design, branding is about emotion, your story, your tone, and the promise you deliver. Whether your niche is eco-friendly products or tech accessories, let your visuals and messaging reflect that identity across all platforms. Use social media to reinforce your brand personality and connect with customers through storytelling, not just sales. In 2025, people buy from brands they relate to, not from faceless stores. So build a store that looks professional, feels personal, and turns first-time buyers into loyal fans. 4. Effective marketing. With the e-commerce world more competitive than ever, standing out in 2025 means mastering multiple marketing channels and truly understanding what connects with your audience. It's no longer just about selling products. It's about selling a story, a lifestyle, and a solution people care about. Start by finding where your audience spends most of their time, whether that's TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or Pinterest, and create short, authentic videos that hook attention in the first few seconds. Use real people, honest reviews, and user-generated content to build trust and make your brand feel human. Partner with micro-influencers for organic reach, since their followers believe in their recommendations. Keep your audience engaged through email marketing, retargeting campaigns, and even blog content to build long-term trust. And remember, in 2025, AI tools make it easier than ever to test ads, track performance, and scale what works. The secret to effective marketing is a balance of creativity and data. Show up consistently, stay authentic, and let your brand personality do the talking. That's how you turn casual scrollers into loyal customers. 5. Excellent customer service. In 2025, excellent customer service is a heartbeat of every successful dropshipping business. With so many online stores competing for attention, customers remember how you make them feel more than what you sell. Fast responses, clear communication, and genuine care turn first-time buyers into loyal fans. Start by offering 24/7 support through chatbots or AI assistants to handle common questions instantly, but always keep a human touch for more personal issues. Make sure your refund, exchange, and shipping policies are easy to find and clearly explained. Transparency builds trust. Use tools like Zendesk or Gorgias to manage conversations across platforms and ensure no message goes unanswered. Follow up after every purchase with thank you emails, feedback requests, and updates to show you value each customer. Go the extra mile with personalized touches, like remembering past orders or offering discounts for returning buyers. In 2025, great service isn't just about solving problems. It's about creating memorable experiences that make customers feel seen and appreciated. When your brand delivers care, speed, and reliability, you don't just make sales, you build lasting relationships that drive long-term success. What doesn't work? Lack of a niche, trying to sell too many products, or entering a highly saturated market without a unique angle often leads to failure. Unreliable suppliers. Poor supplier choices can lead to low-quality products, inaccurate orders, and significant shipping delays, which directly damage your reputation. Poor customer experience. A lack of a good return policy, slow shipping, and inadequate customer support will drive customers away and lead to a high number of chargebacks. Weak marketing. Simply listing products without a strong marketing strategy won't generate traffic or sales. Ignoring product quality. Sourcing low-quality products or not checking samples can lead to poor reviews and a damaged brand reputation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.